Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create a per game profile for your Logitech G512 X keyboard. So first of all, you have to connect your keyboard to your PC, then open the G Hub layout. Then here we're gonna have to go to the profiles menu by expanding this list, select manage profiles. By default we'll only have desktop profiles, so if you want to add a game profile, click right here to add games and apps. Let's click add, and if you see that your game doesn't get detected, go to games, scan for games on your PC. Let's sign into our Logitech account, and after that we'll be able to scan for games on our PC. Okay, so the games were found. I guess there's only one. Now let's return back to profiles, manage profiles, and I will be able to easily find games. Okay, so maybe we're gonna have to restart this program, and after we relaunch this program, our games will appear right here. But if they don't, you can still click browse and find your games in your file explorer. Then click add, and a new profile appears right here. So we can use the default profile, or we can of course add more profiles to a specific game just by selecting a game profile and clicking add profiles right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.